Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the July 2023 Summer Sweet Treats Challenge. This past month we had, I think, the most amount of entries, 26 entries. Thank you guys so much for joining in on my hashtag. It has been so much fun checking out everyone's entries and I appreciate you all so much. And thank you everyone who has been purchasing my dewdrops. I appreciate your support so very much. Thank you so much to Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. She was our guest designer last month. I will be sure to link her channel down below. An easy way for you to see everyone that has been entering and checking out all of their projects for some great inspiration. You can just search the hashtag DoubleClickConnectChallenge and everybody's entries will come up. Thank you guys so much. So let's see, before I get on to drawing the prize, I will just do a reminder that this month for August 2023 is Believe in the Magic or Back to School Challenge. That can be anything Disney related or anything back to school related, such as a book, an apple, a pencil, a bus, anything. These are the colors that were released this month for the month of August. We have this jet black, which is gorgeous. We have this red. We have this beautiful yellow, and we have this pale blue. They're so pretty. I love this color combo and how well it goes together, especially for Disney and back to school. I cannot wait to see everybody's entries. So let's see. Okay, we have our 26 people that entered July's challenge, and this is July's gift. For July 2023, we have a variety of dewdrop colors in there. Okay, I have my random number generator here. Make sure that is focused. And we have 26 entries. Put in the 26. We're going to hit generate. And it came up with number 9. Number 9 is Marissa, the Fun Size Crafter, and she is on Instagram as Fun Size Crafter. She does have YouTube, but she doesn't post any videos. Yay! Congratulations, Marissa. Thank you so much for entering my challenge every month. I thank you so much. Please get a hold of me and let me know that you saw this video, and then I will get your prize out in the mail. I thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you all have a great day. Bye, guys.